If you don't like the sound of your own voice, then you're in the right place. You're watching this video because you don't have time for recording and editing your own voice. You've thought about using a voiceover artist but couldn't afford it. Or maybe you just love goofing about, impersonating SpongeBob. So if you're a streamer, gamer, or content creator, AI voice cloning is where it's at. For short-form social media content, any old AI voice gen will do. But if you're into long-form YouTube content or live stream, then Voice AI might just be the droid you're looking for. In Voice AI, you can be anyone you want. And the best part is, you can use it for free and on any device. This step-by-step guide will take you through the whole process, so pay attention. These bits you need to know. Go to voice.ai, scroll all the way down. There's a yellow button in the center that says Get Started for free. On top of that, links to App Store, Play Store, Windows, and Mac OS. Whatever your device, click the link and install it. Once that's done, make a new account, and on the welcome page, you'll want to check the box to get 5,000 free credits. These credits will get you started and help you explore the various options. At this point, you'll come across the pricing plans. As we said earlier, you can use Voice AI for free, but as always, the free option is going to be limited. To get the most out of this tool, you'll need to cough up. There's Plus and Pro pricing. Plus is cheaper and offers basic upgrades, while Pro costs more, but gives you HD quality. Just start with the free version and see how it goes. Click on Get Started. Top right, you'll see your tokens or credits. Top center, you'll have two options. Record mode, where you record your voice and let artificial intelligence clone it. Then there's Live mode. This is for connecting with a live streaming platform. Before choosing which option to use, select your input from the lower left corner and select whatever sort of microphone you're using. Then click the middle of the screen and you'll be taken to a library of thousands of voice characters, from Barack to Mr. Beast. But if you're looking for a specific celebrity, type their name in the search bar. And if you want to listen to a clip, just click the image play icon. There's even ratings under each voice so you can check the accuracy. Let's try this guy. See what he sounds like.
Obama, don't make me sit next to Drake.
To unlock this voice, it'll cost a lot of coins. But if you click on coins, top right corner, you can purchase credits or click on Earn Free Credits. Inviting a friend will get you more than 5,000 credits. Or you can join their Discord to get 500 credits. Unlocking voices can take a while. Maybe go grab some water while you wait. Once that's done, you're ready to record. Make sure you're somewhere quiet. Avoid background noise and echo, and speak clearly. Click on the microphone icon, and off you go. Whenever you want to stop speaking, just click the microphone icon. On playback, you'll hear a watermark. This can be removed by upgrading your pricing plan. Or after download, you can remove it with any basic editing tool. There's also the option to upload a pre-recorded voice file, which you can try out by clicking the upload icon over on the right side. The live mode is a new option. There's a slider under the microphone icon. If you move it all the way to left, it'll be faster. Voice lag will be short, but the voice might sound more artificial. So if you move it to better, the voice quality will be higher, but again, you'll get more lag. Set it somewhere in middle to get the best of both worlds, or find a balance that suits you best. To try it on streaming apps, games, or live video calls, you'll need to scroll down. Choose whichever app and go to Voice Settings. Then select Voice AI Microphone as the audio input device. Go back to Voice AI and click on the microphone icon again. Now, whenever you talk to someone on socials, they'll hear your cloned voice. To clone your own voice, click on the center circle again, and from here, click on your voice. Here you can upload your avatar, name it, and choose a language. You also need to select whether you want your voice to remain unlisted or available to everybody. Then click Save and upload an audio file where you're speaking clearly for 15 minutes or more. Make sure there's no echo or noise distractions on the file. Click on Build. It can take anything from a couple of minutes to a couple of hours, but once it's done, you'll get an email notification